Imagine a life where you have to sit down when somebody says that, you have to eat when they said that, you have to sleep when they said, you have to go outside to, and you have to take a permission of their, you don't eat the things, you have to eat the things what they have given to you. What do you think this type of life is? Yeah, it's like you are in a jail or something like that, living a life of thieves. No, it is not the case. I'm talking about children. Yes, as a child you can't do anything until unless there's a permission from your parents, but still you enjoy that life, right? You still enjoy that life despite of having so much restrictions. So what happened to you right now in your adult life? You are now a master of your own destiny, you can do anything you want, everything is in your hands, but still you are not happy, you are not joyful. Why? What is the reason behind that? Have you ever think of that? You have many decisions to take, you have many stresses you have on your shoulders, you have some responsibilities on your shoulders. Maybe these are the reasons that you are not happier when the things are going on according to you. See, have you ever imagined the life of a child? You don't remember your childhood, the things what your parents had told, but you remember the your friends, your your playtime, you're laughing with them, your joyful moments. Why? Because you don't care about the things that people or other people are saying to you. You just keep care about that present moment at that time. And that is the thing that is the missing from our adulthood. We are missing all this life of living in the present moment. I can't blame anyone. It is our responsibility so that we can be a happy person, not anyone else's. So simply get out and live in the present. Don't think much about the future. Think, but not overthink about it. Forgive everyone. Don't regret your mistakes. There are many things in life that you have to enjoy. Start living the current moment, present, and you will see a lot of difference in you.